Alright, so what are we doing again?
Well, here's Coco down here. And there's no cat in here, but Coco doesn't know that, and she's a little smarter than she's letting on.
No closing the door. Okay. Kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty. Oh, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty.
Coco, where's the kitty? Where's the kitty, Coco?
Kitty? Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. I hope you don't mind, Madeline.
Coco. What's that, Coco?
Coco, there's no
It's alright, buddy.
There's no
It's okay. Can you shut it off? Ready?
Yeah.